Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to remove connected devices from your Dropbox account. Whether you've upgraded your phone, shared access on another device, or just want to keep your files secure, these quick steps will help you manage what's connected to your account with ease. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Make sure you're signed in with the account you'd like to manage. Once the app is open, move to the bottom of the screen and tap the account icon. You'll usually find it in the lower right corner, represented by a small person or profile picture. Next, tap the settings icon located at the top right of your screen. This will open your Dropbox settings menu where you can control different preferences for your account. Now, scroll down a bit until you see the option that says Manage Devices. Tap on it and you'll see a complete list of every phone, tablet, or computer currently linked to your Dropbox account. This section shows anything that has access to your Dropbox files, so it's a great tool to keep track of where your account is signed in. To remove a device, simply select the one you want to disconnect. A confirmation message will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove it. Tap Confirm, and Dropbox will unlink that device immediately. It won't have access to your Dropbox files anymore, keeping your information private and secure. If you have multiple devices you no longer use, feel free to repeat the same steps. Just select each one and confirm. It's a simple habit that helps keep your account protected, especially if you've signed in on a public or shared computer.